You are welcome to my channel. This is peanut butter chicken soup. Yes, and let's get right into the video. This is freshly washed chicken pieces, and we just add blended spices in there. We have our tomatoes, 3 tomatoes. This is what I use to make the spices, and as you can see, we will allow it to simmer or cook for some minutes after adding in our tomatoes. We allow it to cook for about 30 minutes till the chicken becomes tender, and we add in the salt to taste. Mix it thoroughly and leave to boil for close to 30 good minutes. The flavor. We take out the cooked tomatoes and the onion. Here I added in my peanut butter, which is also known as the groundnut paste. I added in a little bit of water and mixed it thoroughly to achieve a smooth paste, which I allowed to boil. I blended my tomatoes and added it to the soup, allowed to simmer, and there we have it. Look at that yummy, tasty soup, and I'm going to enjoy it with Banku, freshly made Banku. I adore that chicken thigh. Yes. Goodness. And happy Easter to you, viewer out there. Enjoy. Come, let's enjoy. Yummy goodness. You can try this at home, and please subscribe to my channel and like my videos.